Good morning, students. One topic is left in human body digestive system in classic biology. So today I want to discuss, and that this topic is also related to the topic which I taught you in the last previous class, and that is about the healthy food habits. In the previous class, I explained you about the what are the different unhealthy food habits. In that case only it is related. So what are the healthy food habits that we have to inculcate in our body so that our digestive system remains in a proper condition, otherwise we will suffer from any kind of digestive disorders such as constipation or bloating or many kind of digestive diseases we can say, or disorders. So the first healthy food habit is balanced diet. We all know about balanced diet. We should take balanced diet properly, and balanced diet means which include all the nutrients in the proper amount like carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals. So balanced diet should be taken every day so that our body should be in a proper healthy digestive system. And beside this, we should also take fresh fruits and vegetables, uh, as well as cereals also. So if we take fresh fruits and vegetables as well as cereals, then it also keeps our digestive system healthy. Third is the flavored carbonated drinks and sugary food should be avoided, because these food they are mostly rich in fats, and they lead to the different kind of digestive disorders. So we should avoid flavored carbonated drinks as well as the sugary food. Next healthy habit that we have to inculcate is the taking proper breakfast, because breakfast is very essential to keep our digestive system in a proper condition. And the breakfast should be cereals, fruits, curd and milk. So we should daily take breakfast, and in breakfast we should include all these items: cereals, fruits, curd and milk. And another food habits are the eating while watching TV should be avoided. So many people they do they while watching TV regularly for 2, 3, 4 hours continuously they eat. So that also leads to digestive disorders. So that should be avoided. And eat locally available and seasonal fruits. So whatever the fruits which are available in your local area or seasonal fruits, that should be taken in your diet. As well as some hygiene, personal hygiene should be maintained before eating, like we should clean our hands properly, we should take clean utensils, and we should take the food in clean utensils so that our digestive disorders should be in proper condition, or we should be healthy. And always eat freshly prepared food. Freshly prepared food means which is not stale. Stale means it can cause food poisoning also. So we should eat freshly food, and clean our utensils properly before taking food. So these are some of the habits, good habits we can say, that we have to adopt to keep our digestive system healthy or free from any kind of digestive disorders. Now, and the last topic which is left in this chapter is ways to keep our digestive system healthy. So that is also related, same thing actually, but the topics are different, although they are related to each other. Just now I told you that whatever the different food habits, that only we have to inculcate in the different to keep our digestive system healthy. So always keep your body hydrated. Always keep your body hydrated means you should drink at least 8 to 10 glasses of water daily. So that only can keep your body hydrated, otherwise there will be lack of water in your body. And eat wholesome and fresh food. Wholesome means like sprouted grains we should take in our diet, that is the wholesome grain. And fresh food we should take in our diet. Fruits, vegetable, as I already told you, that should be included in our diet to keep our digestive system healthy. And avoid fatty and oily foods, because they also lead to different types of digestive disorders like constipation or acidity or bloating. and eat at regular time. Time should be maintained properly, neither too, there should not be too much gap between the meals or the dinner, between the lunch or the breakfast. So that should be in a regular time, proper time. It should not be too much lengthy period should not be there by taking food. And stay away from crash diet. Crash diet means sometimes what happens when we are in a hurry, we take only 2 to 3 bites and we go in our work. That should be avoided. So we should stay away from this type of diet, and we should take proper diet, especially the breakfast should be taken properly, and always sleep 8 hours at night. 8 hours at night, that also keeps your digestive system healthy. So rest is very essential, you all know, and avoid stressful lifestyle. So tension or any kind of anxiety should be avoided, because that also leads to different kinds of digestive disorders. So for to make our body free from any kind of anxiety or tension, we should do meditation or yoga or any other physical exercise we should do daily to keep our digestive system healthy, and especially the jogging, walking or yoga, sport. This should also all be included in our lifestyle. Then only our digestive system should be healthy, and we will free from any kind of digestive disorder. So after this, the lesson is complete, and complete all the exercise as well as question answer which is given in the book.